Today I'll be trying out a brand new wig. This is from Nadula Hair, and they sent me over something new to try. So of course I have to review it for you guys. So in the box it has this really cute quote. So it says, "Don't quit, don't stop, don't give up, keep it moving," which I thought was so on point for the new year. So here are some goodies that they've sent over. So a wig cap, of course, to hold your hair and everything together, lashes, a headband just to secure, I guess, for your lace fronts, and this cute little brush, and then a Nadula branded headband. And then they also sent over this super cute tote bag that has the brand name on it, and of course a golden robe. You guys know I love my robes, so this is just right up my alley. Thank you guys so much. So here's what my hair is looking like. I'm currently stretching my relaxer, and I don't want any of my hair out, you guys. I'm not trying to put any heat on my hair, and I haven't used any kind of direct heat since maybe October or September or so. So it's been a while, and I'm really happy about it. I kind of started my own little no heat challenge, if you will, and so far so good. My hair feels healthier and it feels fuller. So here's what the wig looks like, and it's super pretty. It's a nice body wave curl pattern, and the wig is 20 inches in length. This is their V-part Brazilian hair, and I just love it. Typically I don't go for like that curly wavy look, but I figured let's try something new. So this is what the V-part looks like, and of course the combs are inside, so 2 along each part, and then you have 2 combs on each side. This is their breathable wig, so you're able to just, you know, directly itch your scalp if you need to. You have that easy access, which I thought was amazing. So I'm gonna put this on and try to attempt to make it look realistic without leaving out any hair. It's all about protective styling right now. It is winter, it is cold. I don't want any direct heat on my hair. Not only that, but V-part wigs are also marketed so that you don't have to leave any hair out. So why not try it to its full capacity? And I figured, you know what, now's the time to leave my hair tucked and protected. So this is what I'm going to be doing. And so far so good. It looks pretty realistic. I love the natural body wave in this hair, you guys. It is like perfect for even summertime, like this natural beach body wave. It's just super pretty. So honestly, I'm pretty much done at this point. I really don't have to do anything else to this hair. All I did, of course, I co-washed this hair with my Aussie Moist conditioner, and then I put a little bit of serum on it just to kind of lock the waves in place and to prevent any kind of frizz. So yeah, this is basically done. This is probably the easiest V-part wig I've ever installed, and the fastest. Super beginner friendly, and the part doesn't look too bad, and my hair is all protected. All right, so I decided to put some curls in this hair just to see what it's capable of. So I'm using my Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum just to kind of add some shine, and then of course add some edges just to make it look a little bit more realistic. So this is from Care, their curls line. Really good edge control. This is something new that I've kind of incorporated into my products. So we're gonna start the curling process, but honestly, this is a look. This is truly a look, you guys. I could easily walk out the door and I'm good to go. So right now I'm just cutting the front so it kind of frames my face a little bit, so when I add curls, it'll look a little bit more realistic. Okay, so I'm in total awe. Like, I love how this turned out. It's truly been the easiest wig I've ever installed, as I mentioned, because there's no glue, there's no gel, there's no leave out. It's beginner friendly and it's extremely beautiful, like hands down. The body, the bounce, the softness, like I'm just impressed. So you guys let me know your thoughts down below. How does it look? What do you think? Have you tried a V-part wig before, especially with no leave out? Like, what do you prefer? Let me know. As always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.